We are back in the Sierra and it is a glorious winter morning here in Mammoth Lakes. Mammoth and the surrounding areas have been getting slammed by a snowstorm for the past 3 days, which means today we're finally getting crystal clear skies and it is a winter wonderland around here. Our goal today is to get out and see how far we can get. We have no idea how impassable the snow will be. We hope to get up to Panorama Dome, get some spectacular views of the winter wonderland in the valley. We're also hoping to do a little recon for some upcoming backcountry skiing. No matter what, today is going to be a glorious winter adventure. It was so hard to leave the Himalayas, but the one and only really good thing about leaving was that I knew we would get to come back to our beloved Eastern Sierra. I mean, come on. It's just, this place, we are so lucky to get to live here. And I'm so excited that winter season is starting. It's just gonna be amazing.
Well, this trail up to Panorama Dome is pretty darn steep. But I gotta say, after going up steep stuff at 18,000 feet in the Himalayas, 8,000 feet at Mammoth doesn't feel bad at all. Not even winded yet. It's pretty nice. It's kind of like having a superpower. Wow, the snow got deep up here.
That's so deep. Maybe we should get out our snowshoes.
Maybe we should. We did bring them.
Oh my gosh. It's like kind of not possible. It's toes pulling. Oh, it's going past my gator.
Oh no, okay.
Okay. Woo-wee! We have arrived at Panorama Dome. How about these panoramic views, you guys? What? And we have something super fun for today because y'all are always telling us when we are in spectacular places like this, you're always like, why don't you have a drone? Where are your drone shots? Well, we got what we think is the absolute perfect drone for us. We just got the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. Adam, would you do us the honors and show us what you got?
You guys aren't even gonna believe this when I show you. This is my coat.
Uh-huh. Coat.
This is my pocket.
Pocket. Whoa.
This is the drone! Are you kidding me? No more lugging that horrible bag around and having it like
having your drone flop around everywhere.
Oh my God. Slip it in the pocket and let it rip.
It's so teeny tiny, it's so cute.
I am really, really excited. We got this for ski season because it has a follow mode that can follow us downhill or wherever. But this is gonna be our first time using it, so bear with us. We're gonna try to get some dope shots for you today. I'm gonna press the top button and supposedly it will start to hover.
Continue. Hover.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Yes! Go, baby!
Now it's just really hovering on you. It's like your emotional support drone.
I am like obsessed with this drone. Let's rock this thing.
Let's rock it.
I came here to chase a dream. You smiled and stepped to me. You said I could be anything. You made me believe. every single thing we made. You lit it on fire, smiling through the flames. The smoke is filling up my eyes. Our love is burning the sky, burning the sky. Smoke across the sky, ashes in our eyes. You were my melody, a long sweet ride in a memory, yeah. And I wonder why nothing's left but fire. We're burning like the sky, burning like the sky. You and I, we were too wild to survive. Burning like the sky, burning like the sky.
Oh my God, I love this thing so much. It's like having a pet puppy. It imprints on you, and then it like actually follows you. It does what you want it to do. It obeys commands. Whoa, it went from a beautiful bright morning to what looks like a looming snowstorm really fast.
Are we about to get just annihilated?
We're losing all visibility everywhere.
Whoa. This is crazy. This was not in the forecast.
I know.
Well,
There is still one thing I need to try.
what?
I need to try the follow mode because I want to know that it's going to follow me when I'm skiing downhill. So I'm going to try to like have it follow me and run and see
Why
what
don't you
happens.
try to run with the snow?
That's what I'm going to try to do. Okay, little buddy, are you ready? Let's do
Oh my god. That's amazing. I'm getting a little concerned because it's so cold out.
it. Baby, this thing shoots up to minus 20.
Yeah,
Minus 20.
yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, we'll be able to use it in the arc. Come here. Come here. Good boy.
Oh no. I fear Adam might like the drone more than he likes me.
Actually, if you can film everything.
What do you need me for? Fabulous. Thank you, HOVERAir. Thank you.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
I think it's Colorado where they say if you don't like the weather, just wait 5 minutes.
Whoa.
It couldn't have been more than 10 or 15 minutes up here. And it went from a beautiful morning to completely zero visibility.
Look at this. Look at all around us. This is insane. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa. What do we do?
Well, our plan had been to go up, but I'm not going up into a zero vis environment. So
No.
instead we'll go down
Let's go down.
and see if we can find like some nice lake action.
Some lake action. Let's do it.
I can't believe there's this much snow and the waterfall's still flowing.
Isn't that crazy? I thought for sure it would be frozen.
Yeah, early season snow, I guess.
This is the last of that waterfall I think we'll all see for the next, what, 4 months?
Should we hike up there?
You want to?
Yeah, it looks like the extreme kind of fog is just above it. So if we hike up to the waterfall, I think we're good. No trails here, boo-boo.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be possible.
Yeah, it is just straight uphill.
There is no trail. No even hint of a trail. Wait, seriously? You're just going straight up that? Do you think my snowshoes can handle it? Oh my god. It looks very steep.
Remember how I was bragging earlier? I wasn't breathing hard. I'm breathing hard now, boy. Just going straight up in the snow. Where's Elise? Oh no. I might have lost her. No. Going straight up is hard.
Snow. It's honestly way deeper than I anticipated.
Are you glad you have the snowshoes on or no?
I don't know, pros and cons, man.
I have my snowshoes on my back because going straight uphill and straight down, I just prefer crampons or micro spikes.
I just don't feel like the snowshoes have enough bite.
Yeah, first straight up.
You're just taking me on this goose chase.
It's the opposite of a goose chase. If you tried to follow the summer trail, you'd be just switchbacking back and forth through tons of snow. We're just going straight up.
I'm fine with switchbacks. I'm getting fine with switchbacks in my old age.
Look, boo-boo, we made it.
Wow! Whoa! Wow! Look at this!
Yes.
Oh my god!
Guys, we have made it to our waterfall. You might remember us trail running this when we were training for the Himalayas
Oh my god!
a couple months ago. It's quite a bit more challenging in winter.
So beautiful though!
Oh, this is our spot.
This is our spot. Adam thinks he got so zen in Nepal because we went to all these monasteries. I want to know how long he's going to last meditating at our meditation bench, given how cold it is and given that his butt is sitting on straight ice.
Well, I'm not gonna lie.
Uh-huh.
My butt's already melting in snow and ice.
Uh-huh.
So it's getting a bit wet.
You're not meditating.
But this is a beautiful spot.
I mean, look at this, guys.
This is cool.
This is the meditation spot. That was like 5 seconds.
I need something I can sit on.
Uh-huh.
Because it's hard to meditate with a cold, wet butt.
Uh-huh. Is that what the Buddhist monks would tell you? Or would they just suffer through it?
I don't know, those robes they wore were pretty comfortable.
Uh-huh. Look who else is getting soft at his old age.
That was about as far as we can go today without getting up into the weather.
Even though we can't get far today, I will say this weather is actually an amazing sign. This is such good news for us because it means that as soon as we have enough snow, we're gonna get out into the backcountry, do some awesome skiing, all sorts of adventures out there.
I am so excited for winter season in the Sierra. Hope you guys are too. Love you lots. And we will see you next time out in the snow.